Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can translate a document in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. After you have opened your document in Microsoft Word, you need to go to the review menu right here. Select review and then we're going to translate using the translate menu in Microsoft Word. If you want to translate, you can go to the language and here you can choose translate. And for example, I'm going to choose like translate document. Okay, and here you can translate your document to English or to any language you want. And I'm just going to select English. For example, I'm going to translate this document to English. Okay, and once you're ready to translate it, you can click on translate. Okay, and this is the result guys. As you can see that my document has been translated to English. Okay guys, and that's all the way to translate a document in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!